Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find the top gainers and top losers on the market on the Webull application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the markets button down below, which is the second option. Then you should scroll down to the top gainers and top losers section. So here you can find a detailed chart including the symbol, pre-market percentage, and so on, in terms of the top losers and top gainers. So here you can find them. If you want to see all of them, tap on the view all button. Here you can see all of them. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.